Magandang hapon or good afternoon. Today is Saturday afternoon or Sabado. Sabado is Saturday. And I have Tagalog words here. I wrote them down on a piece of band paper. And you could just see the spelling of these Tagalog words while I say the words. Today, on Learning Tagalog, we're going to tackle places, how to say places like clinic or church or gasoline station in Tagalog. So, let's start with church. To say church in Tagalog, that's Simbahan. Simbahan. That's church in English. And clinic is also clinic in Tagalog. The difference is just the spelling. It's letter K instead of letter C. It's clinic or klinika. That's the Tagalog words for clinic. Next is gasoline station. Gasoline station in Tagalog is Gasolinahan. Gasolinahan. Next word is Ospital. Hospital in Tagalog is Ospital. Park. We usually use the word park in Tagalog, but just for the sake of the equivalent word in Tagalog, it's called Parke. Park is Parke. Parke. Also, to say school, school in Tagalog is Paaralan. Paaralan or Eskwelahan. Say that again. School in Tagalog is Paaralan or Eskwelahan. But I rarely hear Paaralan or Eskwelahan being used. Usually we just use school to say, we usually just use school in Tagalog. Also, store in Tagalog is Tindahan. Tindahan. Market. Market is Palengke. Palengke. Also, I had added a few words here like farm. Farm in Tagalog is Bukid. Bukid. And street in Tagalog, the Tagalog word for street is Kalye. Kalye. We also use the word Kalsada. And yes, this is a Spanish word. Also, restaurant. We also just use the same word. It's also restaurant in Tagalog. Let's do a quick review. Street in Tagalog is Kalye or Kalsada. Farm is Bukid. Market is Palengke. Store is Tindahan. School is Paaralan or Eskwelahan. Park is called Parke. Parke. Hospital is Ospital. Gasoline station is Gasolinahan. Klinik is Klinik or Klinika. And last word is church or Simbahan. Also, if you still want to see the spelling for these Tagalog words, just click show more and I would also write the spellings in there. Okay, that's it for today, and next video is going to be about animals found in the Philippines. Bye-bye!